Then to the list, look for fixed asset item list. Then to the items, new, or just simply press Ctrl N. Asset name is STI College Lucena. Asset account is under accumulated depreciation. Purchase description item is building. Date of purchasing is 10/14/11. Cost is must be 14/10/11. Cost of the building is 1 million. Location is in Lucena. And then if you want to add another new item, just press next. Then go back to asset name. For example, is PhilHealth. PhilHealth. If it is under insurance, insurance expense, date is 14/10/11. Next, you have to description. It will be under insurance. The next, another is, for example, is set of computer. It will be under computer and internet expense. Purchase description is computer. Date is 14/10/11. Cost is 20,000. Then okay. So you have entered 3 items, or if you want to enter another item, just click the items or just simply click Ctrl N. That will be all. Thank you.